Assalamu alaikum everybody, I hope that you all are doing well. So this vlog is going to be about the Independence Week which is celebrated at our university. This is the dress which I will be wearing today. Let's quickly iron this and then आप लोगों को सही से दिखाते हैं. And I'm going to pair this dress up with a new flapper which I bought. It has a little embroidery and a lace work done. And I think this will be a perfect minimal outfit for the day. सो इन आवर यूनिवर्सिटी 1 अगस्त से लेके 14 अगस्त तक देर आर स्पेसिफिक डेज जहाँ पे कोई ना कोई इवेंट विल टेक प्लेस. सो या आई एम वेरी मच एक्साइटेड फॉर ऑल ऑफ द इवेंट्स. I don't know whether you guys can appreciate it in the video or not, but the weather is so amazing. Alright, so our university has also put up these banners that which events are going to take place till 14th August, and they have written their specific dates as well. So there are going to be debates, there are going to be a lot of speeches, the Azadi Mela, for which I'm very much excited for, and a lot of different types of event, the cultural day, the open mic. So yeah. So बाकी today was the flag unfolding ceremony, and honestly guys इससे मुझे बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आया because they had put up the songs, the patriotic songs on the speaker, and everyone in the audience was singing along, and we had so much fun doing this all. However, they made us wait a lot for the flag unfolding because they had called some news channels और उनको आने में काफ़ी टाइम लगा, so we were waiting in the ground so that they may arrive and then हम लोग flag unfolding देख सकें. So today is 7th of August and I'm very much excited to go to university today. The real reason is that we are going to have the Azadi Week stalls over there. Luckily, I randomly found this flag at my home as well, which I'll take along with me to university today. Also, this is the badge I'll be wearing. So this is basically the setup of the stall which is arranged by the university. यहाँ पे अभी कोई भी stalls नहीं लगे because it's already too early. It's 8:30 right now, so that's why. Also, I love the way GSMU has decorated itself for the independence. After taking the class finally when we came to the stall side, so वहाँ पे stalls लग चुके थे. थोड़ा सा पानी और डाल दें. Wow, good यार. A few of my friends from our batch उन्होंने भी स्टॉल लगाया हुआ था, तो उनके स्टॉल से I took a brownie. Also, I don't know when I'm going to grow out of this aesthetic stationery obsession. On this stall, they had little notebooks which were customized, and then they had some cute stickers, highlighters, journaling stuff. I hate living here. So yeah, that was it about the Azadi Mela day at our university. Now let's move on to the next day. So it is 5:43 p.m. and today we are going to go to the governor house from the university side. So अभी मैं university जा रही हूँ. I'm already very late because वहाँ से points will leave at 6:30 एंड ऑल्सो मैंने रास्ते में जाते हुए अपने लिए ये फ्लैग भी ले लिया था सो दैट आई कुड बी मोर पेट्रियाटिक ड्यूरिंग द सॉन्ग्स. और जो है ये जो है मेरा लैब कोड है एंड दिस इज़ हाउ आई एम गोइंग टू कैरी इट सो एस्थेटिकली. एक मैंने इस पर बैच लगा दिया है एंड बिकॉज हमारा मॉड्यूल आज ही एंड हुआ है तो मेरी जो 2 एनामल पिन्स है फॉर दिस मॉड्यूल वो यहीं पे लगी हुई हैं, द पेक्टोरल गर्डल वन एंड द हैंड. So finally I have reached university and thank God I reached university in time. So when I went there तो वहाँ पे जो है वो my friends were also there. We all gathered और फिर हम लोग जो है वो direct point में चले गए थे after spending some time on the campus. एंड नॉट टू माई सरप्राइज़ के पॉइंट्स वर लेट और वो लेट ही चली थी पॉइंट. बाय द वे हमें बिठा दिया था अंदर और पॉइंट लेट चली थी बट हाउ एवर वी वर एंजॉइंग इन द बस. और जैसे ही हमारी पॉइंट चलने लगी सो ये ग्रीन लाइट्स जो है वो ऑन हो गई थी आउटसाइड आ मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी बिल्डिंग. एंड बिकॉज मैंने तो इसे फर्स्ट टाइम देखा था इस तरह से सो आई वॉज सो अमेज्ड. यहाँ पे जो है वी हैव रीच द गवर्नर हाउस. यहाँ पे देयर इज़ अ पेट्रियाटिक कॉन्सर्ट टाइप ऑफ एन इवेंट वेयर आतिफ असलम इज़ गोइंग टू बी देयर. सो वहाँ पे जो है वो दिस इज़ द होल सेटअप बाय द वे of the governor house and by their claim it was the largest screen and the largest stage set up. यहाँ पे जो है लगना भी चाहिए थोड़ा सा. 14 अगस्त का इवेंट है, पेट्रियाटिक इवेंट है, पेट्रियाटिक कॉन्सर्ट है. तो यहाँ पे जो है वो everyone was waving, most of the people were waving the Pakistan flag. ऐसा टोल्ड यू कि हमारे कॉलेज में भी ऑलमोस्ट एवरी डे कोई ना कोई इवेंट हो रहा होता है रिलेटेड टू द पाकिस्तान डे, द इंडिपेंडेंस डे. सो वी हैड एन ओपन माइक एंड देन वी हैड द डिबेट सेशंस एज वेल. सो वी रियली एंजॉयड दैट. So finally today is 14th of August and today is the Independence Day of Pakistan. So happy Independence Day to all of my viewers from my side. Because आज 14th अगस्त है so today is a public holiday but we are med students and we study on public holidays as well. Literally when everyone in the house is just chilling and relaxing you are there studying the thorax because respiratory module शुरू हो चुका है हमारा. Yes, the respiratory module in our university has been started and it's almost 2 days to it and अभी जो है वो full motivation है to study this module best. The plan is कि जो भी यूनिवर्सिटी में हो रहा है वो सारे lectures घर आके फ़ौरन से ही करने हैं, रोज़ का रोज़ मतलब. But let's see. In the evening we visited the mall as well and over here I bought a lip oil and उसके बाद जो है I went in to buy a dress. Literally sometimes you get so much confused in all of those beautiful dresses. So yeah, ये वाला जो है मैंने अपने लिए फाइनल कर लिया था. So that was it about the Azadi Week vlog. This is how we celebrate the Independence Day of Pakistan. Thank you so much everyone for joining in. Take care. Allah Hafiz everyone.